Hey, what's going on? Welcome, it's Muriel from Costa Rica, and on my Costa Rica Living YouTube channel, I'm here with a new vlog and I'm excited to show you how Costa Rica living looks like for me. Thanks to the many questions that I received since I moved from the Netherlands to Costa Rica with my husband and 2 kids. Many people ask me questions like, how did you do this? How does this look like? How does that work for you? Do you have tips about this? I just decided, what about let's starting a YouTube channel? So yeah, you see the result here with, I forgot how many videos I made, but I'm basically I am thriving to share everything I have learned myself, and also sharing my most delightful impressions that make me a super happy person living in Costa Rica as an expat. So watch my video to the end, because I made a special compilation for you with my most happy moments, and also showing you how my life looks like because I work online. A lot of people ask me, what do you do all day? Like, how do you make your living? Do you go to work? Whatever, like, what is it that you do online? Well, the thing is, you only have to remember this. I know how to navigate online and how to make a full-time income by working just 2 to 3 hours per day, sometimes just even skipping per day, a couple of days, because I'm my own boss. I decide with whom I work, from where I work, how much I earn. There's so much possible online, and you will see that blend in that compilation as well. Our laptops are creating our freedom. It's a laptop business, and yeah, if you're curious what it is that I do online, go to the description below. There's a world of information there. You can click the first link to test drive the system that I use, that have taught me so much, and that can be a great fit for you. But also free book tips, other information in the description below. And look at that flower behind me. Whoop, there. Isn't that awesome? This is Costa Rica living, guys. I'm happy to inspire you. Yeah, oh, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go to the corner there, hit the bell icon. That way you get a notification every time I upload a new Costa Rica related video, and that might serve you with anything you want to know about buying property, about practical stuff, moving to Costa Rica, but also just the simple things of life. The things, my most favorite beaches, secret spots, and so much more. I hope you enjoy my video. Stick till the end, because you're gonna see my most happy family living moments here in Costa Rica, and I'm happy to share them with you because I honor you. And thanks for watching. Leave your reply below if you have anything to add or to share, and thank you for your thumbs up if you think that I deserve it. See you in Costa Rica. Enjoy the video. wait for breakfast.
Sorry. Kabuya.